Hello guys, in this video we'll take up a question asked in KCET 2024 which is based on circles. So the question is, if in two circles arcs of the same length subtend angles 30° and 78° at the center, then the ratio of their radii is, and they have given us four options. So first we'll try to solve this question step by step, and then we'll move on to a shortcut to solve the question within 10 seconds. So let me start with the steps. First, we'll take a circle here. Let this be the center of the circle, and this one is an arc in the circle. So it will subtend some angle theta at the center, right? And this is nothing but the radius of the circle. So to find the length of this arc, what is the formula? Length of the arc is nothing but the radius r into the angle theta in radians. Okay, theta in radians. So remember that the angle theta should be in radians and not in degrees. So this is a formula to find the length of the arc when you know the radius and the angle subtended by that arc. So in our question, they have given that arcs of same length subtend angles 30° and 78°. So arcs are of the same length. So let that length be L. So in our question, the angles are 30° and 78°. So let theta 1 is equal to 30° and theta 2 is equal to 78°. So the angle is given in degrees. So in order to find the length, we need to convert this degrees to radians. Angle must be in radians. So theta 1 is equal to, so how do you convert degree to radians? We know that 180° is equal to pi. Therefore, 30° is equal to what value? Cross multiplication. So it is nothing but 30 degrees into pi divided by 180 degrees. Therefore, theta 1 is equal to 30 into pi by 180. So I can further simplify that, but I'll keep it as it is so that it will be easier to cancel them in the next step. So this is the value of our theta 1, and theta 2 will be similarly equal to 78 into pi by 180. So this is the value of theta 1 and theta 2 in radians. So here we know that the length of the arc is same. Therefore, length L is nothing but, let R1 be the radius of the circle for 1. So L is equal to R1 into the angle theta 1, that is also equal to R2, that is radius of circle 2, into theta 2. So here we get that R1 into theta 1 is equal to R2 into theta 2. Therefore, R1 by R2 is nothing but theta 2 by theta 1. So what is the value of theta 2? It is 78 into pi by 180 divided by theta 1 is nothing but 30 into pi by 180. So I'll cancel pi by 180, pi by 180. So that will be nothing but 78 by 30. So that is nothing but, we'll simplify this. 2 15s are 30, 2 3s are 2 6 are 2 36 are, and we can further simplify, it will be 3 5s are 3 13s are. So R1 by R2 is nothing but 13 by 5. So the ratio of the radii of circle 1 to circle 2 is 13 by 5. So 13 by 5 is nothing but our option B. So the shortcut to solve this is, instead of converting these angles from degrees to radians, we can directly take the ratios. Since we are taking the ratios, the units doesn't matter. So here, instead of doing all this, I can directly write it as R1 into theta 1 is equal to R2 into theta 2. Therefore, R1 by R2 is equal to theta 2 by theta 1. So theta 2 is nothing but 78 degrees by 30 degrees. That is equal to, we have simplified it, 13 by 5. So whenever they have asked you to find the ratios, the units doesn't matter because the numerator and the denominator will cancel out and the ratio will have no unit. So that's the simple way of solving this question. For more such KCET questions, you can check out the KCET playlist in the channel. Thank you.